Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a little winter holiday sort of haul featuring Cupshe. Big shout out to Cupshe. You guys know I've been a fan of Cupshe for, I don't know, probably 3+ years now. I've been shopping with them for a while and I love their stuff. And I specifically love when they come out with a collaboration with JoJo Fletcher. I feel like she just has the cutest style and collaborates and makes the cutest pieces. So I have a lot to share with you from her collection, but I will have everything linked down below as usual with a code that is KF15, and that will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more. So you can stock up on holiday things, dresses, gifts, whatever. I found some super cute stuff, so I want to share it with you. So let's first start with the dresses, because I'm not normally a dress girl, but Cupshe, if you've watched any of my recent hauls with them, have been crushing it with the dresses, and I also have been into these styles of dress. So first, it's like a long dress, so it's basically a maxi, maybe a midi if you will, but this brown chocolatey color and this material is like stretchy and like form-fitting, and just it is everything. It is double lined, so no see-through, nothing like that. I love the little like kind of asymmetrical top with the ruching on the shoulders. I am definitely gonna bring this to Amsterdam. I just feel like for a nice dinner, this would be so cute with a pair of boots. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. I love this. So, ooh. So I love that it has a really nice slit. Again, it has this really great weight. It's like slinky, but it lays on the body, but still compresses in places. My biggest insecurity, or my biggest problem area, if you will, is my hips. And when a dress doesn't kind of suck me in enough in that, and it just kind of like is lightweight and just sits on it, I feel like I look a little lumpy dumpy, you know? So I like something that kind of really hugs in and shows my figure in a way that makes me feel confident and comfortable, and this dress is everything, and that says a lot because I don't wear dresses. So this is everything, and again, this is a collaboration with JoJo, so of course she did it. This next dress, when I saw it, I had been actually eyeing these sort of like mesh floral tops that kind of have a black background with like these like pink or red type of roses. I've been seeing it everywhere, and when I saw this dress, I was like, this is so cute. It is fully mesh, but there is a lining in the like bodice area, so you don't, it's not see-through, but the sleeves are sheer and see-through, but it's got this like just beautiful print. It gives me like, if y'all back in the day had like those tattoo sleeve things or whatever, and mesh tops that we would wear under t-shirts. I feel like that was kind of a thing, but this dress is stunning. It has a little keyhole to get in and out of in the back. It is a full maxi length, but it has no slit. This is stunning. I will say I got a medium in this. I could have gone down to a size small. It probably would have fit a little bit more. I was just, again, with bodycon stuff, I just feel as though I'd rather go up because I'm nervous that it's going to just hide or like hug things. But I feel like with this dress, the pattern on it would hide a lot. So if you are between sizes, I would size down or go with your size, your smaller size. I wouldn't necessarily size down, but I would go with your smaller size. But this is stunning. I'll still wear it in the medium. It's gorgeous. But this is such a pretty like vampy night out type of dress that I own nothing like. So I'm excited that I branched out and tried it. This next dress though, you guys, screams holiday, screams everything. I wish I could have found my black tights. I can now find them for the life of me, but I would wear black tights with these, with this dress. This dress is stunning. I love the big bow detail in the back, the open back, everything. The like sort of bell sleeves, not bell sleeves, but they're just like a wide sleeve, and the fit of this, the length of this, everything about it screams holiday, paired with a pair of black tights or even like a maroon tight. Gorgeous. I was thinking with a pair of like sling back heels or knee-high boots, anything like that, this would be adorable. I just love the bow. The bow screams holiday to me, but again, it is a black dress, so you can wear it wherever, whenever. I just think it's so cute, and it's a heavier material again, so it's not like, I feel like the weight is good where I'm not like concerned about raising my arms or stuff. It stays where it's supposed to stay. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But I love the bow detailing on that, and yeah, these are some good dresses, you guys. Okay, this next dress though, I would say size up. I can't remember what size I got this in. I'll have the size that I showed you down below, but this is just very form-fitting, and once it's on my body, the ruching goes completely away because it's so tight. But it is really pretty, and I'm obsessed with this olive green color. So I think it's meant to be quite tight, so keep that in mind because it comes with the blazer. Well, it doesn't come with it. You can get the blazer separately, and it's that same kind of like neoprene type of material, which feels really nice. Honestly, this is lined as well, so it's nice and soft inside. It's got a little bit of shoulder pads, but I feel like this monochromatic look is huge, and I love it in this color for the holidays. I think this would be so cute to wear to like a girls' night out or something like that, a wine bar, whatnot. I love the monochromatic look, and this oversized blazer really balances out like the skin tightness of the dress. So together, incredible. I'd probably pair it with some black heels or black boots, but I wouldn't really wear tights underneath this. I think it's long enough, and then with the blazer you get more of a covered feel. So I really liked this. I would just say size up of this if you're like in between sizes, because I just feel like it runs pretty tight, okay? But if you like tight bodycon things, you do you, girl. I again wish I got this in a size medium, but I love a blazer dress. Is there anything more chic than it? Again, if I had my tights, I would have put tights underneath this. It's a tiny bit short. That's why I recommend sizing up. You're gonna get more length, and because this is such a structured dress, you're going to, it moves when you move, if that makes sense, okay? This doesn't stay on the body, it kind of moves. This satin lining of the collar and the buttons, it's so chic. I am sorry, it is so classy. Again, black tights with a little pump stiletto heel. Everything. This is so good. If you're going to a really nice restaurant, a very nice like company holiday party, I just feel like you cannot go wrong. This is so classy, but it's so classic, and it's black and it's beautiful. And the details on it, just with like the satin, is just enough that just makes it feel very holiday, but so stinking beautiful with a red lip. Everything. Just size up at least one size for extra like movement and length, in my opinion. But if you are good with a short dress, then maybe go true to size, but I would have gotten a medium in that, and I still would pair it with tights just for, I don't know, just the overall like sleekness of that outfit. It's very chic. I'm obsessed. Okay, next up is this sweater actually that I'm wearing. I have been loving the little bows, and I feel like there's nothing more holiday than a rhinestone bow. These are actually little brooches, like they're little pins that kind of connect, so you can take them off as well, which I really enjoy. Not that I would wear this sweater without them, but I'm just saying you could like use them for other things, which is so cute. There's 3 of them that go down it, and I love this. Very holiday, very modest. I like that the neckline is a slight V and not like a deep V or anything like that. It's very cute. I think paired with like a red skirt or a black mini skirt would be adorable, but I also paired it with this sort of maroon pleated skirt. If you have been following me for a while, you know I love skirts like this. It just, especially for the holiday season. I own one in green, I own one in black, and now I own one in this burgundy maroon color, which I honestly surprisingly own very little in this. I never thought it really worked for my skin tone, but the more I'm like looking at it, the more I'm lusting after it. I never was a purple kind of girl, and this is in the purple family, but this like it's not metallic, but it looks metallic like in the light. The way this like accordion print is stunning. This looks great with, if you did like a monochromatic look with a maroon sweater as well, or black, it looks great with. It just can be paired so many different ways, and I feel like screams modest holiday party if you are going to something where you need a longer skirt, or it's just really freaking cold where you are and you're not a mini skirt girl. I love skirts like these. I just think they're super flattering. All right, let's finish off with 2 little tops. This actually is a top that I was surprised that I could wear out. I am somebody who tucks everything in, I think because I was part of the generation where we layered long tank tops that like covered half of our butt. That was just like the thing to do back then. With a polo, you know, okay? So I feel like though I never really leave things tucked out anymore, or leave things out, I always tuck them in. So this looked cute either way, especially with a dark pair of jeans. I just thought this was adorable. This would also look good with that maroon little skirt as well. It's kind of got a little bit of a puff sleeve. It's very subtle though, not in your face, very soft, very stretchy material. I really like this. I thought it was really cute and very like, I don't know, winter whites, if you will. And then last but not least, I am a sucker for this print, and for the life of me, cannot think of it right now. cannot think of it. I don't know, it's gonna drive me nuts. But again, these colors, everything. Green and navy together, olive green, navy, my favorite combination of colors like ever. I just feel like it's very classic. It's very just, I don't know, this is giving Gossip Girl, okay? I'm here for it. With like, I would pair it with just dark jeans. You could obviously pair it with a skirt, anything like that, but I really loved it with the dark pair of jeans. I also really liked that it was slightly cropped, but not cropped, if that makes sense. Like it was waist height, so you can tuck it into jeans without it like popping out every 5 seconds, but you could also leave it untucked and it didn't look like Frumpty Dumpty. I also really liked that the sleeve, like the print goes all the way down the sleeve. There's no like cuff thing at the bottom where it's a different print or it looks different. I really liked that touch. I don't know. But for the life of me, cannot think of this print name. So let me know in the comments down below. It's giving Gossip Girl, I don't know, preppy. I love it, but love the color detailing of this, and again, can't go wrong with an olive green navy combo. So that is it, you guys. That is my little Cupshe roundup of the holiday things that they have on their site in collaboration with JoJo Fletcher. If you have not checked out her like collaborations that she does, she nails it every time. I've been in love with her bathing suits that she's done with them, and I think this is her like second holiday season, if I'm not mistaken. She just comes out with really great things. She already has amazing fashion, and then in combination with Cupshe, she's able to just affordable and super cute clothes to get us through the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video and providing us with the coupon code KF15, which will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, I'm always curious to know what your favorite piece was down below. I think the brown dress is like probably the best thing I put on my body. I don't know. I love it. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one very, very soon.